Hello, agus báidcí hic Na Seansálaithe, mas maith seansa go glacíad Na Seansálaithe. Is me sé Hugh me gilí cheada agus má caiithú an gansaí is audacious agus is féidir le dhéanú an le gáanta seo margheall. Just an mood mai inniu agus so bhí arm ahanana hartarm ar fríceil má agus mé caiithú gansaí le péirsúla point le má as mháil agus sin, you know. I'm always watching. Agus I gurk a goni fast with my le much coilaki le much courage or dus bar Áine weir Áine get your that
yeah tan gansi get a place got I want leor del right she get to bug a trippy bug na hook na agus nílum go a gradual gwil gansi all inert agus and I'm sure galant a shot the dollar right to my land show Arthur fi came and John Gallu so níos gom céan dóibh bhfuil tú caithíon gansaí mór sin.
Yeah, no, bhein rá sé de roma tí muoi ach tá air conditioning is tí sa seomra seo, so sinna fa goma a caiú an gansaí seo. Ach cáint bhí rá sé, tá man seo fásta le James ó Fhómhair James, go dtí mar tá tú?
Yeah, grand, ach níos am cin tíad ó sib se an faoi láthir meall. In seo I go na mara bhí se báisteach nó mar teachtas obair. Gáil go dtíon obair agus tá like tá se scamlach is so níos am well go na mara secluded when say would a chearú his bris amach finally mar Ilan na cíns. Would a peninsula finally briste is go mar Ilan.
Tá éráid go homlan defralogah, tá éráid go heile is go homlan defralogah. Tá bhar funniuh hain ogah a Connemara ná tá an éite ar bhí eile sa tíir. So seansa sin na foiá go bhfuil seán.
Bhí me muoi caró mar mágin, bhí me muoi an muoine ar mágin agus ar malaháile bhí an áithrin a chattanú ar bhí sé ionta trom and then hanna meiste gar na gáileh Green ataniu galant an seo, so that it just snatch me ceart in Alu, James.
Well, no, they're definitely not scared. Actually, I got to at a more really lure margin, Mel. Like, you take wala because I'm phodchraoladh show more bio. I can know you clicker margin.
I know it's a marala. Crack it on,
replace the mindset with a grind set. Shouldn't I will Áine.
In the chance of the color, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, tacitini shouldn't tacitini not mean what you could call a Níl high cursey ober shouldn't 5.
The Shan Zombie X.
Bhí bring much ogum sa rare. Agus,
here we go.
Bhí bring much ogum sa rare. Agus hitch kinda much fecal ama as ma bheil sa bring watch. But then bhí cibhnú agus mé gurk am a bell hain go fecal ahanech in ma bheil. Agus just because thirsty like mata bring loads of fecal it's the genula like anxiety like burn the immersion but like cake walks at him marta bell land la fecal agus me in mahalu
like fecal squealte bugu heart
no vi costa hitch in the wanyama but grow like the gums got a heart of a bell omlan like can the color cool ma changi agus she's bescoring agus ahanrod like just grow bell land fecal
and what go my sweet to her na the cracking mas there part of the Caribbean do like bail like uskelt na fecal like
sinnig gajir an dóibh vima
yeah we should go bunch of la fecal it could been like boss there is yeah we should been an underlining meaning in no
she will care take Hugh me aller go mean to grind out the kuch fecal the collie ma tattoo mahu start nervous so take him and rud anxiety.
Ein rud atá though anyways. Is it on e-version the goseach internet Hugh agus on jumper tá a chafu lád. Tá ma just picture Hugh of turn on seach mar the Venus flytrap.
Slam. Num. Vince unreal mar Venus flytrap. Vince into my ega.
And rud is actually dirty real.
Lish, come on. The couple of quote ogum sa shilum o har the blianta I will get the gach. Nelson vision and kin is at the ratchigum rio. Definitely kin is at the ratchigum la quick one which ach I cheering go maybe up these at reach. rib Jerry and hot shop.
In fairness, glachan tú plac allúir nach tá go bé. Tá go sin bhí dearú. Current tú lán ar an fork. Come walk tú é riamh fish and chips. I mean, current se like made allúir ar an fork.
My God, getting absolutely called out in show. But you know what, this massa is ní hé tus an cad dinge leis sin a rá.
Really?
Her dinge tracked or fish Joe river. We miss it ag ihe curry cheesy chips.
Shouldn't go to Quibbinum, yeah.
Agus thirsting chart. This lad is absolutely hoofing those chips.
As being insert curry sauce, those hard to develop get to be current.
Okay, ní bhím coáction. Ní glacham leisin. Ní lacham leisin ar Harvey.
Okay, the nickname new as an issue is Hugh McGill Flytrap. It's not a
Hugh McGill Flytrap. Hugh Belmore.
Bhín sé cógradan ar glachan tú an plac an bí, so mar hampla na fhí sin leis na curry chips. So glachan tú an plac ach chuinín tú fósa de bhéile ní logan tú é, as arcan tú an camera agus you just didn't tú nádbheag den clicking agus bí na lecna fósa lá leis na curry chips. Just like
Working cost a balloon, just deceased. Maru. Yeah, you know what? Sean already need talking to Fodger or who could you can yen into the connection. It's like and Jerry an outro on pod. You're talking about Fodger, Gajiker, gur fáid sem maithe agus an sin ag mar bhréit le den cin much courage or bring some agur ar the diet tashim achan le fi an dá Joe. But it's like right there folks, you carry here from Joe like ahan like in Margaret there were ein fi an dúsa ahan like in that is hi there folks, it's you carry here from but you want the hugging to well ein like habits of shit there glocking to Fodger or like near new roll so it's a gaji there's thing a lot. Hey by the way, Janet to Shaw ahanam and Janet to X.
I don't know. And I need sure what to be a
catch my actually she didn't go to I think better their being too gay probably you were like yeah I think the like the shock car and their Jaron with Shig James with it's like gasp solar being gay it's like
I think it's been reaction forward on the story though.
Fair, actually, do you know
yeah. Níl sin ro crackáilte, níos go crackáilte le Venus flytrap.
Go mó leisceall. Well éon habit tugat to James gapan tú pegur thugtú Fodger arthú.
Oh, I don't think so. Like nothing that could nach chuir ósam fu anyway, like though could annoying yam, but like I'm well aware of so like
slay and Torfad, slay all day.
Slay. Yes.
Níl tú annoying, James. Sad dashin. Sorry, triple threat in this, model, Ashtar, like, the 100 of it.
No.
100 of it.
Yeah, triple threat, Romhainn, fucking, I don't know. Triple threat of being fucking young, dumb, and broke better than triple threat. I'm sure she's on.
I don't know. Bhí na headshots sin ínta profesh húsaige seoladh an or the TG car.
A buzz cut again is I'm telling you.
Model.
Hey, look, it's an off in the picture and grown green graft or fear wide job like come on
stop.
You know job ra daliaku anyway. Let come my karat.
Untouched.
Untouched. I feel so untouched right now. What a jertus naran. Listen, James and Buzz. I think Vision and Greg is Gareth have been let humble. It was real. It was super tight.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you come on now. And you come on now. Stop that shit. Nabi lad. I said I'm walking international to this key, and you're literally just like the germ immediately.
It's just like go hauling, just Irish sauce agus gone in like cowlick more of a bormachlagan new just like need it like to mochud's hair products gonna last lifetimes. You know, Nima goes in gel new you know, hairspray and blow dry and more. It's just it, you know.
So co-practical, kind of
Co-practical.
Co-sasta.
You know, it's just a good look, you know.
Howla and don't go to kind howla grow like growing ada she's gonna na barkini James Rivershaw.
Yeah, grow shot like, you know, looking like Jesus.
Dreads again, no afro major. She's a couple of centimeters these would that finish.
Yeah, but fós fi a blow dried, fós fi a quiff fós fi you know, the products you know what? I just need to see me.
James, to actually to just a gurkart and I'm to my Gary Mahane a chanchama as Michan Hain a shevalerish like tagging and smuishin is the Michan and just reach le baldy galerish, but
came back mean lads co and though you could just go into Kenny law on which agree just where Gurgan went as if going long Gregor like in Sugov.
That was really impulsive. So but no, in 10 4 on the mission I sure nah me all and there is in a room at Clay Pelle. Should them be group give you
so Sean superstition.
It's Christian can I kill Newton, yeah. So
oh my god. Because they cannot listen
like we didn't get roll like Ghana, you know. I feel like need any choice I'm like
man cliche once Sean Doyle
well, they're still going actually good neighbouring Shinish, not just fluke or one of you I'm going to clear the wire great yarva good. But we come a sort on exilert nor journal to it me all going to spakely a tart and ish go chinner taken on.
Yeah. Na brand geen de fiets on the
Gurk all to James to the Gurk Spexy into Spexy.
Need to cuss the mass murderer a Harvey.
No, or Harvey.
An compliment is far from man Sraith.
Listen, to the draw away. Not
and as we know, ni man compliment Hugh, so
a panic or a Hugh James Hughamster Snapchat. In ledger na any Hershas and put their shinnas and launched schedule for TG car agus this is like yes I'm can't let Dale others the compliments yes I'm change my gender
vi man an like sarcastic ne vi ma locher a law because you raw oh geez that plan good that so vi man like a raw to do you know sound us surprised. You know, you know, not a cheeky back, but like, oh yeah, confidence just ain't my thing. The man is rare the hurts ma.
Bro, dinner be a raw led the Áine who's Somali clear, and if you should make a show it.
James too hot.
There's things like, oh yeah, you scrub up well. So I'm like, oh yeah, jeez. It's a earth, you know. She's hot on me about because I'm fucking shouting it over.
Well, Sean, Joe, being actually and reverse that Shinogumson seachtainí Jarna, the kind the lads chatting mahaksa le microphone pixus. Agus mis gober bevimsa kai like tracksuits like shanty lane because like you know hood I think my kai and hoodie Gregs because like the sliders is on or whatever. Agus landish like a chags which like about to real like comfort that like I've never seen you like he's like farmer Shaw and I was like yeah chillin size earacht I kai him jeans you know if that's enough of an effort
if that could be considered formal attire.
And Yannimuj Shaw speechiness right I'm just throwing this out here and Yannimuj your font shaved heads like EP and true review.
Let me show already on. So,
Áine, come on, dedication to the cause, guys.
No, because Arky make us let 11 or Stranger Things.
I think Arky cost that like Sinead O'Connor the way mission. I think he pulled it off. Give a gate.
No.
Hookland
bald cap or better.
Yeah. She didn't go like in Gafal Logan She didn't go the bald cap.
I could should be in Circus Le Professor X. She Sníomhreacht sé bhachtú bheith mhil.
I think of it, listen, Annie, I think of it as an ain't no to pull it off. I think you would rock it.
Gur
No bother, Tom. That's fire me, man. Listen, fire me.
Fós ní má dhéanú.
Tá me sí nar tugam sa compliments a dí it's mar jaal go mar Gary iad running at a dhéanú.
Yeah, tá agenda ar chuúlahan rud jazz ar an tú.
Yeah. So James fan go gluistú mar Gary to see dhéanú in Eagrán man go and you go man the compliment sin all caps just the word ride or the Instagram. You know, man, I stand by it, you know. Sin rud. Interesting ish, James. Launch Fhómhair TG4. See Sanaya Fine, Irish Film Institute in Leictreach, Kajimmer Visha, Jeroen Tay, Jeroen Gas. You know, mad party, obviously. All the hand, druggy, just like fiendish, pléann behavior. Not road, yeah.
Lord's ass, I know. Yeah.
Okay.
No,
that was not the vibe. Not the vibe.
That's like that's Cosla Dini, you know, na Hakan a piece of ass. Agus, Lord Hoodie new on. Lord Hoodie is Chlora Hood Seth Mach, obviously Aku Imnelna. You know, Kolach the later on today, so hopefully we should have Brandworm, wink, nod, Nematon.
Shameless.
Sorry, James. I think you just dropped a name there.
Sorry. Nematon. Just well, like still don't go. Hunting should agus good like, you know,
right.
Bí no go go digital. So no, we should ask bullet like Hosman a Hector, which I follow him on Instagram. So we shouldn't more highlight go more heal so far.
Fiúníos fear na sin run tú rud fiúníos fear na sin chuirtú ílach follow hurt an phodchraoladh ar Instagram. So tú hens Hugh intas asta fu sin.
Yeah, so
My fair. Good work.
Cora intas asam na Hector agus like tú zero ho look, that's an PA wets. I think that's in basically like, you know, Kong and the Clorch and Uvis at Hector le intern James. Just like show me the ropes, Hall the Solomon Islands. James is Hector. You know, skin all coconuts, agus get your grapefruits, yeah. I think
so Hocliff's her team and Kate Glunelli, you know, Nerve Hector Girias, obviously blianta as ar gore ach be tosa train alta sus le sir shasu stas a roll sin.
Exactly, like you know like ní mar go in Asian is a Hector that had it. Thomas like rách loon difriúil, so basically like generation gap cos le lab bible, you know, mishkas a hain hall. So it's a fairy, it's an Afric, you know, commission cub og marlion, it's go binan zebra knowledgeable of this lum.
Zebra.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Hey, don't you got the chloroquine show picture like I guess look based on how much I saw I guess the mission sauce to that had the Jeffengate and screen time. You know,
Jeffengate.
Tá sé ná na bheith cantas cóir nó ach basic a camera go homeland ar Hector ach go mis just the background lá flash leis.
Just so gohlas a James, just ar just le the white's hain leis an all seo bheith agad Cillian cub rud ionta derfriúil gursaí LADTA. Okay. It's like show that you know do I go bears on go like the air rocketa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Cub is lagging these oige na sin.
Okay.
So just nar tetu a curtu hain she's more cub just Jenkins, you know, and cohex tetu ag genue on ag brehe hurricane sort of vibe at the Gary torta dingy.
Oh, okay.
Every day's a school day.
Every day's a school day.
Yeah.
Just
I think I'm along the lines that like
I think I'm out.
Yeah, I think, you know, he might want that. I don't think, you know. Speaking of termation, what should one see, like, apparently, like, Felix Mra, because they're like, Anivia. agus like tá
No, 1 second. No, hold on a second. No. Shaw Rudd, like Stidger of each gente, ag lad awang that was never peer reviewed. But does it kind of be with alpha, beta, and omega?
No.
Okay.
Just because anna so tá fear in an bear handsome.
Okay.
Eagle handsome.
What?
Dog handsome.
Question?
No, reptilian handsome. So on root of a na bear is Henry Cavill.
Okay.
Mada is I'm struggling with Mada. Eagle is Ryan Gosling.
Okay.
Reptile is Timothée Chalamet.
Oh yeah, tá sé cos le lizard no.
Mada is Tom Holland.
Literally, James, she had Daniel Hannig McKenzie.
Yeah,
exactly. Tá sé cos le puppy. Tá sé cute. Yeah. Agus could you shift she now?
Oh, what this
is obviously Henry Cavill.
Come on. Yeah.
Hey, more will Hector come outside us is that DC outside us like he's Superman. Superman the whale.
Superman the whale.
Don't tishel Ginnedoch.
Da mail.
Agus mo kryptonite na focal barrel le afa da ayeller.
No.
Sin fá go tú sa gym an lá as a trainal na don road show mar Superman na gael.
Yeah.
Réad a goal. Ke be or ride to an gléch.
Coming Saura fi.
Beishan rud cean is this kind of glenisian agus near caiid to us and glenisian is thing go home on their full mate too.
Call James ni him.
You know fá go learn go dín Astra me tá nimmo go farmers turner fi leor so they're my top us, you know.
Caiid to an rud omman. It ain't a flu too.
You know.
Jerring's go much more eagle. Big Ryan Gosling vibes. Awesome. Gozers, yeah. Kevin Gate. An 18 to live listen and yeah.
No comment.
Shouldn't these massa not know? Shouldn't what these massa because they're light. It's like no English by really machine, but no comment is like Neil.
Okay. Her into the dog category.
Okay.
Yeah. He's scared the shin. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that could go colony version?
Sin Macade Castella, care to stand on the colony.
Yeah.
Okay. So granted is ní tá de mícher tá chulle an vi dus ma bear handsome, dog handsome, you know.
Tis legalte. Ta ahan ke an anvi is just
ahan rud a chrohadie golanto calor.
I hear the gentle a Christian all right then, okay, right, Gary, calm down.
Sir, Banach live.
So the anvi shaw like galtish, scary red. Like my hitting two steeds in the category shaw to do like the ahanning galte. Exactly.
Fashion jazz.
Go Colini tá definitely cut on. So cat beautiful. Deer beautiful.
Okay.
Cunning beautiful.
Okay.
Fox beautiful.
Okay.
So obviously Megan Fox,
yeah.
Then cut would be like probably who would be a cat? Cut.
Then egg on slender and kind of features gear.
Yeah,
could say
like
if you get me.
Catwoman, pardon the pun, but you know.
Zoe Kravitz.
Yeah, Halle Berry. Yeah.
But then like a deer would be like there's Sulamora, agus
Agler Hugoni.
Meyer Bambi just.
Cos na Mrs. Pillsbury ag lí cum na ríise bhí góí cumar hí gro aglan dóinar hí.
Mrs. Pillsbury is pleased. You know, couldn't go came.
And Van Boo and Moon to Rua.
Near bring my ear up. Absolute wang da glee agus maybe shouldn't Pretty Little Liars. Oh no, shouldn't I'm a Pillsbury. Yeah. To fact them in what to do.
Yeah. Sula Olora.
Yeah.
And then Cunning is obviously just cute, like.
Like Florence Pugh, she's kind of in a cunning, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, but then
Kind of like
Emily,
chubby cheeks, kind of.
Emily Blunt would be better deer.
Yeah. Yeah.
Which is kind of Oppenheimer now.
Did you just switch her the character in Oppenheimer?
Yeah.
Robert Downey Jr. Cunny. Sin the Burt Mara when in Oppenheimer fast to mo Harvard ni captain go in Mara sí scalan.
Sin go ceart go le Rosemore could be.
Yeah. She need the similar though, because I'm not gonna lie, James. He might grow gonna really up like kind of testing the like the alpha lads, testing the lads acting through TikTok like the podcast.
Oh no,
the alpha males, and I was like, Shawling Andrew Tate the whale.
Logan Paul the
No, they're not ní Haitian to say.
Yeah, because Áine hís mar rá nach feminist ma in ngart uranti, so like ní hasan an heat show horrible.
Óháin agus dúhad tógam ráis an rud a dúirt mé mar an scanan Barbie leat an éireann sin.
Yeah, I fucking loved it like.
Yeah.
Bhí go leor card gom nar Hugh an seachtainí, leor lads.
Really?
Yeah, and that's such a DMAC.
Look, Áine, it's fair that Brad Killian, Chakarkalor, it's all good.
Actually, Hancha Leshin, but be lads ella a Hanilin and Lashin agus near Hanchelo, near Hig she'd message, he'd grusha sort annoying.
Well, Ain rolled a walk to James, like, and just the chat to us, well, to, you kind of a raw, I don't know, corporate free shop, but like, well, Ain rolled to chat to us, like a launch go to Ixulu Morlash.
Yeah, so show really Ganzi Charua Kong the lads of this man. Shin
Glad there's a
come around there, Shin. Because cannot work in option. Because you know.
Be snippet build the Hugh.
Oh yeah.
Sophie Shanna yeah, dear Gigatus. So it's much similar Shaneko.
Jerry nach ro must be in for you all, but sure, I don't know. Honig man Mahain Urwen. So but yeah, no, it's clear Baragram, like Chacht Thig Sheintor. Gabel la Baro hey.
So
absolutely. Honig Shach, Gaji Mahakse, Nervisha Husson, Dunal, like Tafid, Limo Weher, Agus Bean, she could fall, it can't free, Agus just made fun of a yeah. Agus chat literally like kind of hog sheep doing the wall in the end Tafid, Agus Shin, Fisha like Moss League, Agus I think we're much more for tumble fast, like from like Bailey the Kella, Agus Shin, which like right, fight my two Sawala, Agus be like culture yogging, like you know, it was like our good course in the Stacey chat fast, Agus Durmalish, like, oh, what's the Starlight, like, you know, coach chat. And he just like plonk a chat in a layer of handing because we shot, you know, courage you might like, you know, we shot like Barrogi, them aware, I heard that handing, you know, we shot just unbelievable. So and funny thing is just talk ratchet. So to actually so more flesh and clash and that faster, not just go Mr. Steam.
Visha mar gain if you just heard the day in the galley just visa good nervy bar landolta who's rock hard. Especially in Cade or do some food less severe he'll checks just, you know, Lord or Instagram or whatever, but tough when you feel like so big clar go mai. Yeah. Masulish. Yeah. Just in Doyne or James now we're session host who said the hack because Junior I love Mama Car
Níl fáil tá se ag teacht. Sílam go gaiimiid Jerry seachtainí a dhéanú inis gan bhfuil agus sibhar fád thuas in Dunanál le hain craic.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Jenny would you know Ramage Tilio agus Jenny Thurs.
Absolutely.
Intro leis an Chila her fád. You know. There's not how to.
To which people are the air for?
Same. To which people Magu, Packley chair shotting shaw. They might show wrestling in this year in Donut, so be my fan like it.
Shocker.
Wouldn't be like me at all. Fanula class. I was actually fast the touching more parched down group Dausa a the and ban a London Rose and Rose which really this group here in the Dausa Hall London. He's at the fanula like level, he's urge not to brag. Yeah, to be our for she's these intermediate and beginners.
Sin níos fearna go dealaú?
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's realty. Ach, no.
Cin da a gréile go bé?
So the group of hand London dar bhaim jig in a swig. So the thing be tangent. Agus another Janet is Janet like rang dausa agus sin changed motlach in the air. So like Janet like the rang dausa agus sin changed their sash like oh, check class like I think it rahan. There are Mishahoni in London. I think it rahan again. That rack like, which just which just time my labula thing, really down John Craction.
Yeah.
Ní capan goal Elaine for Genoa, so finding on just to to even out the genders disparity. Hinges good steps. Dog. Come on, Ashgal. Go Mo.
Taking one for the team.
Listen, sorry. And Faisal just said Steve, we Misha ag dausa le river dance seachtainí.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, ho random. The basically first cash starring le fishy any logs you con and dausa munu dún or munu dusa. But Hannig should Hook should may Higgin gaiety like Higgin actual and show or show. Agus hima Erin statue like Erin set da river dance. Agus na Birch Dowsori Shaw Zoe's Kiva ag chishpandu Kane doi lesh and Dowse a yenu. But we should just like step with gas to so but the man on the niche piece of the river dance yenu.
So Becky much tapina show they fish on Gajiglin Echo.
They've the fish on la chacht. Yeah, the fish on la chacht. Like the finish do say ig kai couple cruna ig or set river dance. So just mental. But yeah, no, if you might just the hour doigum, listen gang.
My silgamore listen echo.
Yeah, he on in now Hugh Carr takes on Step TG4.
Those are channels.
Oh, fang back Michigan or this man. Fang back into my But the law got Susan she's.
He's a club the fit. No, he made the law going in. That's the host of it got Susan she's. But the host of
Two guards in there.
Oh man, listen. I'm gonna pull it off. Be my dog ratchet. Be my absolute dog ratchet. But I just task me to be show my party piece in this. I got handled it. I had to chain. Go man on. Like 8 bar the river dance. Like literally just piece of wine gas to the.
Yeah, 100%. It's in class though.
Listen, it's real to me. What can I say?
Yeah.
Iglin Gallant, the Beanie Hagen and Cage show bio Ella and which can any Hugh payment a egg and show bio. So Matasha Vigiri and couple of Steffian and Echo, a couple of shape Echo, like I Hugh again. Tarhig shows bio at Chattanese.
Badger shouldn't have planned. Badger can any was wrong bio. On those
Now we turned the secret to Hugh in it.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, go Maleshka. Sorry. Go Maleshka. She's in my Gary. Good. Benistic thingy. A hand on the road that it got array. Agus much a Gary and show her like hella.
Well, actually, kind would sort teaser worth the guninish, maar be much on Ger Shachna Shahogan. I mean, be Agranuan ella Rahima, Majin Jahina, nor to much land he's such a ach yeah, be couple of step, couple of surprise bug the winning Maland she just and public again.
I actually cobos all that. Like I got to my bring my Jeremy to again seachtainí. Agus come just sweet you and like oh feck like the actually like the shot Harley like the shot actually a dollar go fun a she's keep rish genu show bio it got fian or even like so
I'm a soon nerd
yeah bill fecka could you be fian of your rish and I'm sure now come me alt early for your rish but
Ní se olvíle féil gal EP whatsoever.
Níl ein idiomse, right? Níl aon taistal bu gom.
No.
Tá pobl agam, tá pobl agus máil agam sinné. But big grand.
Bé much go bra.
Big bra. But lads, I think you punch shinka kamage a flagon and shit which a far rate on Jerry shotting more shot, I suppose. We must pack him well and it's like all London to go to AEW All In Bia at Wembley Stadium with MJF versus Adam Cole high an AEW World Heavyweight Championship, CM Punk versus Samoa Joe for the real World Heavyweight Championship. Ring of Honor. Okay, that won't stop.
Pre-advertisement.
Oh, done wrestling show. I don't think.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't think we'll think of a better. Listen, my age leadership podcast is fact to make a show. Tars was little. A mask not 8 mile thing yellow to go to vegan show. Mental, absolutely mental. Ach sinné an agur seo the chance the Bamage Rush had chugainn le Eagrán ach wat the muid a lad ar the man hosted ar the man there the chancellor or Instagram the chancellor Twitter is the chancellor or YouTube is got like the officially large any gante but the gecko I think the Echo Foster or Spotify I guess the Fhómhair TG4 and I'm shot very Spexy but the Gary any am the man hosted this more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or Twitter because anywhere or TikTok but the Gary James I'm the man hosted that's more flyer tach or Instagram flyer tach or Twitter as flyer tach or TikTok is that Jenny German like track the fagal or a good picture your Instagram like cake or righties at Tasha I guess but the Gary my hand I'm the man hosted them more Hugh Car here Twitter Hugh Car here Instagram I was just great Hugh Car or TikTok well I know that come to plug on this so they're remit Hugh a Hawaiian
EP Sahan se chugainn trílog sa phobal Gaeilge agus seachtainí nation be muid tí I globáras na Gael in gáliú ihe híine sin an 8ú lá é sé sir teachtaiste so le a hol cotíleiste agus be craic phodchraoladh bio agus a rís feictú Stephanie Riverdance.
Ní le jaall ní gáil béle fe. Cur couple Guinness zero mavel agus feicimiid cén dóid agus sin an agan seo an na seansaí bud í soltas deir seaachtaí agus muidirrás le agan go man nuad an na seansaí agus sin feicimiid siú ag EP. Yup, right. Slán bud í solt.
Slán.